Hi, I'm Emma from Tracklution. In this video, I will show you how you can install Tracklution to your website using Magic. So, in other words, using our automatic event detection feature, which lets you install website tracking by only adding one script to your website. To get started, create an account at Tracklution. We will first ask you some onboarding questions, and then you need to type in your website URL. Once that is done, we will recommend a suitable installation method for you. With the Tracklution Magic feature, you only need to add one script to your website, and we will handle the rest of the event tracking. If you want to add the script directly to your website code, choose the standard installation. From the step 1, you will find the Tracklution main script. Implement this script directly to your website code to ensure that it's working properly. The main script must load on every page. We advise embedding it within the head section across all pages. If you don't have access to add any scripts to your website, you can use also GTM Template. To use the GTM template, you need to have a GTM container, and it needs to be installed on your website. Then head to your GTM container and add the Tracklution template to your workspace. Once that is done, we only need to add one tag, and it will be a page view tag. You will need to add your Tracklution ID and Tracklution domain. This you can find from the GTM template installation instructions. Then select a suitable trigger, save the tag, and publish it. Without the Magic feature, we would now start adding new event tags or additional scripts to your website that would track additional events. Instead of that, we can start using the Magic. We are automatically detecting events from your website's data layer. In order for this to work, you first need to create the events so we can actually find them. So at this point, head to your website, click around, and Tracklution will be doing its job. Once you have done that, wait a little and then head to your Tracklution Magic tab. From here, you will see all the events that Tracklution was able to automatically collect from your website. If you want to track the event, just click Enable button next to the event row. If you did the installation with the GTM template, it means that you are already tracking page views, so you don't need to enable this. If you added the main script directly to your website code without the GTM template, then you need to also enable the page view tracking from Magic. If you don't see any events on this tab, even after waiting for a little while and going to your website and actually triggering the events, it means that Tracklution can't automatically detect events from your website. If this is the case, you have two options. You can use the GTM template to create additional event tags. Or if you still would like to use the Magic feature, the website needs to push the relevant events to the website's data layer so Tracklution is able to detect them automatically. This is usually done by the web developer or the team who is maintaining the website. This can be done, for example, by adding data layer push events in the site code or via the e-commerce platform. Just ask your web developer to help you with this. They should know exactly what needs to be done. Now you're tracking your website with Tracklution Magic. I also highly recommend doing the DNS settings. This will enable Tracklution to work in first-party mode, and this will basically result in more conversions tracked. You can find the instructions for the DNS settings from the first-party mode tab on your Tracklution dashboard. Just add a CNAME record with these values on the tab, and then click Verify. It can take a little while before it's verified, so you can come back to this page after some time. Now you are tracking events and you can start sending them to your ad platforms. The connector setup is very easy. You basically only need to copy-paste pixel IDs and access tokens and set your connectors to live. After this, Tracklution will handle both pixel and copy deliveries. And that's it! Now you are magically tracking your website with Tracklution. Thank you for watching and happy tracking!